Hey, so in this video, we're going to show you how to do your menu selection. As you saw in the previous video, we did the ceremony details. I've approved that on the other side, and you can see that the ceremony details section has now turned green. So we'll have a look at menu selection. So it's really important to remember that you have to do the menu options before you can assign food to your guests. So to do this, click on menu selection here, and you click on the pencil icon here. So if it's a twilight package, it will just show evening. But because this is the full day wedding with a 3-course meal, it's going to show wedding breakfast as well. So you click on the pencil here, and then it comes up with this wedding breakfast, hot roast if you wanted to add that. So wedding breakfast, we're just going here. So it'll say like starter 0 to 3, main 0 to 3, dessert 0 to 3, child main 0 to 1, and child dessert 0 to 1. So we'll start by clicking on the starter. Click choose, and there are your options there. So the reason that we allow 3 is because you get 2 starters, 2 mains, 2 desserts, plus we'll cater for any dietaries as well. So we'll do soup of the day, party, and then we'll do the melon for any vegans or vegetarians, and that's also suitable for gluten-free as well. And then you just press save. Now you can see that that says 3 out of 3 here. So we'll do the same with main. We'll go for the beef, chicken, and we'll do the nut roast. That's also suitable for vegans and vegetarians. And then you just click save and OK. Same with desserts. So we can do cheesecake, apple crumble, and then we're going to do vegan cheesecake as well. Save there. Child main. Choose. We're going to do chicken nuggets there. And then child dessert. Choose. And we'll do vanilla ice cream there. Save. Okay. So we'll return to the overview, and you can see all your food choices being put in there. So standard, all our packages come with the buffet. So we're just going to choose the buffet. Click save and press OK. Turn to the overview, and that is your food choices done. So when that's done, click on the actions button, and then you send the section to us for review. So we have to confirm that before you can start assigning guests the food choices, and I'll show you how to do that on the next video, how to add a guest and how to give them the food choices.